So getting onto this loss that I took on gold today, so price is pretty bearish on gold. Like the daily is pulling back, and we could see the daily definitely come in and sweep liquidity to the downside, right? Yeah, the sell side liquidity, and then maybe push up. But I don't trade the daily candle, right? I look for things on a lower time frame so I can actually get a bit of good bias. So on the 4H, when I woke up in the morning, reading the chart, I realized price had swept liquidity behind this zone. That's why we have these wicks that are pushing to the upside. So I was looking to see price push a little higher, get a little pullback from there, and then price then continue going downwards. And on the M15, I extended the liquidity sweep, this line right here. This line right here. I extended it so I could actually see where the liquidity was swept on the M15. And it makes sense because we do have some sell-side liquidity that's been building up right here, right at this on these points. So then obviously looking at that, I was looking to see a pullback, and my M15 is bearish, and price ended up making a low as price moved on. And then I marked out what I wanted to see on the charts. And what's funny is this is where I speak about patience, and you need patience in trading, because my plan was to actually see price come in, sweep all these low highs right here as liquidity that could be induced into price could actually start selling further. And that's where the FVG boys come in, the boys that trade FVG, I don't know how they trade it, but I understand how it works. I just use it as confluence. So I was looking to see price come into this bit of FVG, fill in the FVG obviously, and then start selling. As price started moving, price gave me chop to the upside, but it looked like a liquidity sweep, right? So I didn't want to enter here. I was holding back off. But when price gave me chop to the downside, what I didn't realize was this was price just coming straight back into demand before pushing high and fulfilling and doing what I thought price actually wanted to do, which was sweep liquidity and then start pushing further down. But I entered here because patience. It's patience, man. Like I didn't really want to enter this trade, but I was already inside the trade before I could actually take out the order and start reacting and waiting for what I actually wanted to see. So then price came in, tagged me. Then you can see here we had a bit of reaction. I even posted on my IG. I thought this trade, well, I didn't think it would go well, but I wanted to see what price would actually do at this point. And this M5 zone that I chose was in between the M15 supply as well. But then price pushed a bit down, then pushed straight to my stop loss. Right after price pushed down, went in, swept the liquidity that I was looking to see price sweep, mitigated the FVG, and then just started storming down. Can you see this rapid movement to the downside? But I didn't get an entry over here. And also on EU, actually, GU I also didn't get a setup. On EU, there was an opportunity to sell for me because price was pulling back, and I watched around here, around 10 o'clock, I watched the structure switch bullish. So obviously the whole point is to now buy. But since I was in between the markets during this time from here to here, what happened is price swept liquidity to the upside at around here. And obviously from there, I was looking to see price come in and sweep this low that fell to make a high, and maybe further come into demand before actually pushing up or even going further down. And price gave me confirmation here. Hold on, why are you doing that, bro? Why are you doing that? And then price gave me confirmation, of course. But here's the thing though, price has been doing this for quite a while now. I don't know if it was just a patience thing or what, but price didn't come back to the zone where I wanted to enter from. So I had my order at around here. Price came into the spot where I wanted it to come quite late, but maybe it was just maybe patience. I'm not too sure, but price did a liquidity sweep right here. I could have actually entered off of here, put my stop loss around here, and then just waited for my order to get filled out. But also this is where psychology plays out, and I think I folded. I definitely folded into a psychology because I ended up trying to take some orders here and lost out. So this was pretty much my day, and I think I need to make a few changes to my strategy, just based off of the entry, so I don't miss out on these entries. Because at around the time that price actually came by to mitigate the M5 zone, it could be too late for me to still have bearish bias. So that would need to change. I would need to see if I want to continue with the M5 zones or not. But yeah, that was pretty much the trade that I took on gold here, and the bias that I had on EU. GU price didn't come back to the zone or anything for me to enter, and this was the loss. And this kind of losses are so annoying because the trade that I'm trying to take, a sell, happens at the point when you least expect it. The point where I expected it to sell from, but since I've been waiting because this is a waiting game, you have to wait for the best opportunity. And if you don't wait, this is what happens. But that's all right, though. We learn. This is how we learn. And then tomorrow I can be a better person. Today I can backtest and look at what I need to improve in my strategy going further on. So please do like and subscribe the video and comment. Expect more videos from me because I'll definitely be posting more videos going forward. All right, thank you for watching.